Why do you start strong, but quit after a few days? What if the problem is not your motivation, but something deeper? Everyone wants to be successful. Everyone dreams of a better life, but very few people are actually willing to do what it takes. You set big goals. You feel motivated. You tell yourself, this time I will change. For a few days, you wake up early. You work hard. You feel unstoppable. But then something happens. The motivation fades. The excitement disappears. And suddenly, everything feels heavy. You start thinking, maybe I'm just not good enough. Maybe success isn't for me. But here's the truth no one tells you. Success is not about motivation. It's not about talent. And it's definitely not about luck. It's about showing up, even when you don't feel like it. It's about doing the work on the days you feel tired, on the days you feel lost, on the days you feel like quitting. Anyone can work hard when they feel motivated, but only a few people can keep going when things get difficult. And those are the people who eventually win. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to have everything figured out. You just need to start. And more importantly, you need to continue. Take one small step today, then another tomorrow. Because small actions, repeated every single day, create massive results over time. Success is not about motivation. It's about consistency. The people who succeed are not the ones who start fast, but the ones who never stop.